the world is filled with fascinating birds and animals, each with unique beauty and abilities. Some soar high above the clouds, while others roam the land with power and grace. Every creature has its own story to tell. Birds, with their colorful feathers and melodious songs, brighten the skies, while animals, from the mighty lion to the gentle deer, play vital roles in nature. Their movements, sounds, and behaviors make them truly captivating. Understanding these creatures helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of the natural world. From the roaring lion that symbolizes strength to the tiny hummingbird that flutters with unmatched speed, nature offers endless wonders. Some animals, like elephants and camels, have formed close bonds with humans, while others, like the tiger and panda, remain more elusive in the wild. In this video, we will explore some of the most remarkable birds and animals from around the world. Each of them has its own unique charm, lifestyle, and significance in nature. Whether it is a fierce predator, a peaceful grazer, or an extinct species that once thrived, their stories remind us why wildlife conservation is essential. The lion, often called the king of the jungle, is one of the most powerful and respected animals on Earth. With its golden mane and commanding presence, the lion is a symbol of strength, courage, and leadership. These majestic creatures are mostly found in the vast savannas of Africa and a few parts of Asia, such as India's Gir forest. Unlike many big cats, lions are highly social and live in groups known as prides, which are made up of related females, their cubs, and a few dominant males. Lions are expert hunters and rely on teamwork to catch prey such as zebras, antelopes, and buffaloes. Their loud roar, which can be heard from miles away, serves as both a warning to rivals and a way to communicate with their pride. While lions are fascinating to observe, they are wild animals and should never be approached without proper safety measures. Wildlife reserves provide a safe way for people to learn about them without disturbing their natural habitat. Throughout history, lions have been seen as symbols of bravery and royalty. Many cultures feature them in their stories, art, and even national emblems. However, due to habitat loss and illegal hunting, lion populations have declined, making conservation efforts crucial for their survival. Protecting these magnificent creatures ensures that future generations can continue to admire and learn from the king of the jungle. The elephant is the largest land mammal and is known for its intelligence, strength, and gentle nature. These incredible animals are found in the forests and grasslands of Africa and Asia, particularly in countries like India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Southeast Asia. With their massive size, long trunks, and large ears, elephants have a unique and powerful presence in the animal kingdom. Elephants live in close family groups led by a matriarch, the oldest and most experienced female. They have strong social bonds and are known for their deep emotions, including love, grief, and joy. Elephants use their trunks for drinking, picking up food, and even showing affection to one another. They also have excellent memory, which helps them navigate vast landscapes and find water sources even in times of drought. For centuries, elephants have played an important role in many cultures. In some regions, they have been used for transportation, ceremonies, and religious traditions. However, despite their peaceful nature, wild elephants should always be observed from a safe distance, as they can become aggressive if they feel threatened. Sadly, elephants face major threats such as habitat destruction and illegal poaching for their ivory tusks. Conservation programs around the world are working to protect these majestic creatures and ensure their survival. By preserving their natural habitats and preventing illegal hunting, we can help safeguard the future of the elephant, one of nature's most extraordinary giants. The tiger is one of the most striking and powerful predators in the wild. With its vibrant orange fur and bold black stripes, the tiger is a symbol of strength, independence, and beauty. Unlike lions, tigers are solitary animals, preferring to live and hunt alone in dense forests, grasslands, and wetlands. These magnificent big cats are found in various regions, including India, Bangladesh, China, and Russia's Siberian forests. Tigers are skilled hunters, using their stealth and strength to stalk prey such as deer, wild boars, and buffaloes. They are excellent swimmers, often seen cooling off in rivers and lakes, unlike most other big cats. Their sharp eyesight and powerful limbs allow them to move quickly and strike with precision. A single tiger can bring down prey much larger than itself using its strong jaws and sharp claws. Although tigers are admired for their beauty and power, they are also among the most endangered big cats in the world. Due to deforestation, illegal hunting, and conflicts with humans, their population has declined significantly. Conservation efforts, such as wildlife reserves and anti-poaching laws, are helping to protect these incredible creatures. Tigers play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Protecting them means preserving biodiversity and ensuring that future generations can continue to admire these majestic hunters. By supporting conservation efforts, we can help secure the future of one of nature's most remarkable predators. The panda, with its black and white fur and gentle nature, is one of the most loved animals in the world. Native to the mountainous forests of China, especially in Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces, pandas spend most of their time eating bamboo. Their round faces and playful behavior make them a favorite among animal lovers. Unlike many wild animals, pandas are not aggressive unless threatened. They are naturally shy and prefer a quiet environment. In conservation centers, they have been observed interacting calmly with humans, making them one of the few large mammals that people can see up close. However, in the wild, pandas prefer solitude and spend their days climbing trees, resting, and searching for food. One of the biggest challenges pandas face is habitat destruction. As forests are cleared for human activities, their food sources and living spaces become limited. With a slow reproduction rate, their population struggles to grow. To protect them, conservation programs have been established worldwide, ensuring they have safe environments to thrive. Thanks to these efforts, panda populations have started to recover, giving hope for their future. By supporting wildlife conservation, we can help protect these gentle giants for generations to come. The deer is one of the most graceful and gentle creatures in the wild. With its slender legs, delicate antlers, and alert eyes, the deer symbolizes peace and beauty in nature. These elegant animals are found in forests, grasslands, and mountains across North America, Europe, and Asia, including the northern regions of Pakistan. They are known for their quick movements and ability to sense danger from far away. Deer are herbivores, feeding on grass, leaves, and shrubs. They are naturally cautious and prefer to keep their distance from humans. However, in some protected areas, deer may become comfortable around people, sometimes even approaching them for food. While they seem delicate, they can be incredibly fast and agile, making quick escapes from predators like tigers and wolves. Different species of deer have unique characteristics. Some, like the spotted deer in India, have beautiful white markings on their coats, while others, like the reindeer, are adapted for cold climates. Despite their adaptability, deer face challenges due to habitat loss and hunting. Conservation programs help protect their natural environments, ensuring that these graceful creatures continue to roam the wild for years to come. The camel, often called the ship of the desert, is one of the most resilient animals on Earth. Built to survive in harsh environments, camels are commonly found in the deserts of the Middle East, North Africa, and South Asia, including Pakistan's Thar Desert and Balochistan. Their ability to go for days without water makes them perfectly suited for life in extreme heat, and dry conditions. Camels have long legs, thick eyelashes, and special humps on their backs that store fat, not water. This fat provides energy when food and water are scarce. Their broad, padded feet allow them to walk easily on sand without sinking, and their nostrils can close to keep out dust during desert storms. These adaptations help camels thrive where few other animals can survive. For centuries, camels have played an important role in human life. They have been used for transportation, carrying goods, and even in cultural festivals and races. Unlike many wild animals, camels can form strong bonds with humans and are often domesticated. However, in the wild, they prefer solitude. Despite their endurance, camels face threats from habitat destruction and overuse. Conservation efforts aim to protect these iconic desert travelers for future generations. The parrot is one of the most colorful and intelligent birds in the world. Known for its bright feathers and ability to mimic sounds, the parrot is a fascinating creature found in tropical regions of South America, Africa, Australia, and South Asia, including Pakistan's Sindh and Punjab provinces. With their sharp minds and social nature, parrots can develop strong bonds with humans, making them popular as pets. In the wild, parrots live in flocks, flying freely through dense rainforests and woodlands. They use their strong beaks to crack open nuts and seeds, which make up most of their diet. Some parrots, like the African gray, are known for their incredible ability to learn words and even understand basic meanings. However, while parrots can be kept as pets, they thrive best in their natural habitats, where they can interact with their own kind and live freely. Unfortunately, many parrot species face threats due to habitat destruction and illegal pet trade. Conservation programs work to protect them by preserving forests and stopping illegal bird trafficking. By supporting these efforts, we can ensure that future generations continue to enjoy the beauty and intelligence of these remarkable birds. We have explored some of the most magnificent animals and birds, each with its own unique beauty, intelligence, and role in nature. From the mighty lion to the gentle deer, and from the colorful parrot to the tiny hummingbird, these creatures remind us of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Their behaviors, habitats, and survival challenges highlight the importance of respecting and protecting wildlife. But now we want to hear from you. Which of these animals or birds is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comments below. Your thoughts and opinions matter, and we love engaging with our audience. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing wildlife content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you more fascinating stories from the natural world. Thank you very much for watching.